Alrighty, so here's another cathedral ceiling there. The thing with this one here, we got two sides, two sides over there that I gotta insulate, and then over top here, it's I'm gonna cover all those little cracks right here, and then on top there too, gonna cover that framing, right, that framing, and then the V. Going to cover that as well, because or else there's going to be a massive amount of heat loss right up there. I've got pretty much like a good 8 inches on top of this thing, and you see it's filled all the cracks everywhere, and it's still standing. So this is definitely I would say even steeper than 45-degree angle. Actually, it's a perfect 45, so that kind of shows that even on very steep slopes, it still holds together. This stuff is pretty fluffy, and so it's not going to settle, yeah, it's going to stay put for pretty much until you want to replace it or whatever. It's not going anywhere. This right here is the top plate. For the cathedral is that they put a styrofoam board right on the outside of the cathedral here, so it prevents the bats from falling. That's one of the good things to do, because or else these bats here could fall down. Okay, so just like I said, there's your wall, right? And this is the start of the cathedral right here. Okay, so these bats are R40, and you can tell because of the number on the bat here, right? So that's how you know that it's R40. And you know how the peak is going to be your weak point for these things.